all
Say
Stop. Good morning, you wonderful human beings. This is Hayden here, and I just woke up. Outfit of the day.
You just blocked my video.
What are you signing? What are you signing?
Transgender African.
That's what she taught me in geometry yesterday. Transgender African.
Oh my god, she looks like she's from Clueless. I love it. Okay, he's completely skipping over my fit because he hates it. This is a softball outfit I was forced to wear against my will. When I get up in the morning, and my mom's up in the morning, which is rare, and I can't find my fit, I go, Mother, where's my super suit? That's pathetic. Kimmy, stop.
No.
Hi.
Every single day you say hi. You gotta think of something different.
I'm trying to think that you're like trying to be in camera on my face.
Oh my god.
Look, it's my home.
So funny.
Spring of 1946, Winston Churchill traveled to the United States.
Of the ancient states of Central
And he was called the New Tone.
Morgan.
Is that vlog?
Yes, lunch.
Vlog?
Lunch.
Vlog.
Lunch. Harder. Oh my god. The school is burning. Totally clickbait. Such clickbait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This school is burning down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see? The school is burning down. Oh my god.
And it's a fire in there.
Brooks. What's up?
We love Hayden.
Ah!
I got it.
This wonderful woman got me a Rice Krispie treat because she's the best person ever. And Carter's good too.
Hi, how are you doing? I hope your day is fabulous. My day has been amazing. Ready on the count of three, jump. 1, 2, 3.
Great!
I passed Angelina in the hall and she just displayed this egg to
Oh,
me.
is it vlog day? Oh my gosh, guys, I have so much to say. Actually, I don't. I just wanted to say that Hayden's the man. Also, his sister told me that he has to take 2 allergy shots every week or something.
Every 2 weeks. 2 allergy shots every 2
Hey,
weeks.
losers.
That's really a loser thing
I know.
to have. That was a smooth one.
That's pretty. It's okay.
It's struggling, but it's okay.
It's living.
How are you feeling today, Camden? It's for the vlog.
Good. For the vlog,
Thumbs up? Okay.
it's Hayden's vlog.
It is.
Don't subscribe. Just don't.
How rude.
Wrap it before you tap it.
Don't be silly. Cover your willy.
Jeez.
He shakes the camera and goes, ah!
Ooh, go, come on!
I'm gonna fall.
Don't fall.
Ooh, look at her! Yeah, Julia, 15 years old.
Happy birthday!